Almost, actually. It's good enough, so. So, I'm going to be making rock candy. And you'll first boil water. Okay? You'll have some sugar that you pour it in. You'll have it dissolve. Once you add the sugar, you will mix until it all dissolves. But then you can add any color of your choice unless you don't want color. I chose blue. And you will mix that.
I can't find your phone.
Then you'll grab a big glass. I did this off screen, but you will put it in a tall glass about an inch off the bottom of it. And then it will turn into rock candy within 3 to 7 days.
How does it work? When you mix the water and sugar, you made a super solution. That means that the water could only hold the sugar if both were very hot. As the water cools, the sugar comes out of the solution back into the sugar crystallized on the skewer. The skewer acts as a seed that the sugar crystallized starts to grow on. With some luck and patience, it will have a tasty scientific treat.